Introducing Ringmaster AirSeT, the new SF6-free ring main unit. Designed for enhanced sustainability, it's powered by pure air with shunt vacuum interruption and components insulated in a sealed tank to withstand harsh environments. Maximum flexibility for new and retrofit installations with powerful internal arc performance and optimized maintenance, with no gas recycling for lower total cost of ownership. Built with high-tech composite materials for a long lifespan, suitable for renewable energy networks. Be at the forefront of the energy transition with plug-and-play motorization and scalable connectivity with easy-to-integrate digital features. From simple monitoring to smart grid-ready capabilities. Innovative, yet familiar, retaining the 3-position operation and the integration of a compact vacuum circuit breaker. Take the next step toward a decarbonized, future-ready grid with Ringmaster AirSeT, powered by air and digital.